Now let's install the soft dock. Press the drive. Then the drive or soft dock. Press the soft dock and install drive. Here. Yes, if you has installed, you could download the drive. Okay, it has download the drive successfully. Let's to install. Press the install button. It will show the drive was installed successfully. Okay, when we test, it will also show the installed successfully. Second, let's install the drive for the app. If we choose the it is x64 or x86 according to your computer. Okay. Then we press the next. Accept the agreement. Next. And it will show the instrument was successfully installed, and then restart your computer. Yes, and we could restart the computer immediately or restart it later.